is 4th of July time again, and I'm going to make Chef Pete's great, stupendous, wonderful caramelized baked chicken with honey. Okay, so you can use chicken wings, you could use chicken thighs, you could use a cut up chicken like I have here, you can use just legs, you can use just breast, use whatever you like. Barbecue it, roast it in the oven at 375 for about an hour. Get it caramelized on top. And what I'm going to do is cut up, as part of this, is a couple of onions. And then in this bowl, what I have is a cup of honey, a half a cup of soy sauce. I've got 2 tablespoons of parsley, or fresh parsley if you like to chop it up. I have a couple of cloves of garlic that I've minced up nice. Ketchup, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and a little salt and a little pepper. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to put all of this mixture into the chicken and then pop it. I'm going to roast it today to show you how this is done. And then you could barbecue this if you like, or if you like, you can bake it too. Roast it, bake it, use whichever method you like to use, and it will work. Go at 375 for about an hour till you see it caramelized and beautiful and delicious, tasty. And keep a little soy sauce or a little bit of ketchup and soy sauce mixed together with a few drops of honey on the table, just in case anybody needs extra sauce, okay?
So this is air fried too, right?
You can air fry. I'm going to roast today instead of air fry, because what I want to do is be in more of an intense heat that is going to take a little longer time than a shorter time with an intense heat. Okay, so there we have it. So what I'm going to do before I do anything else is I'm going to take our pan that I'm going to use in the oven today, in the roasting oven, and I'm going to give it a light spray of olive oil so I have it ready to go. And I have it, and I'm going to set it right there so it's out of my way, and there is the pan. Now, what I'm going to do is take this, and I'm going to then give it a quick mix with the honey and the garlic and all of the good stuff, ketchup and everything. We're going to give this mixed up like this. See, he's mixing up nice. And what I'm going to do is then, and I have, I forgot to tell you, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here too to help make our beautiful sauce so we caramelize up in the oven. Now, if you do this on the barbecue, okay, remember, if you do this on the barbecue, you're going to get some flames, right? So there we go. So I'm going to go right in the chicken, just like this. Right in the chicken. And we're going to leave that in there for just a few minutes. And when we come back, I'm going to get this all sorted. See how nice the honey is in there with that? What we're going to do is take the chicken out and put it on the pan, and then we can have some honey. We're going to let it sit in here for, about 10 minutes or so. And when we come back on our shorts, I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Okay? All right. So happy 4th, happy holidays, happy summer, happy here from Pizza's Kitchen to you. This is Chef Pete, as always, wishing you the best. Out.